I pulled into Memphis 13 minutes early, first time in 2 weeks. It's where she said she'd meet me as I stepped off of 451. I needed sleep. The baby's overdue, and I know that you need some things. Each time we discuss it, it's the same. On the train rolling, I got a feeling, and I know that she's not waiting for me. This rail keeps getting longer, this feeling's getting stronger. Oh, she won't let me be. I love my woman, fire and rain, but I won't give up my train. Baby came in April. I was in Chicago in the freezing rain. "12 black cars and an empty tanker, 3 box cars and an empty sack of mail." Although I get lonesome, sometimes I don't. It's just the only way for me to explain. On train rolling, I got a feeling, and I know she ain't waiting for me. This rail keeps getting longer, this feeling's getting stronger. She won't let me be. I love my woman, fire and rain, but I won't give up my train. I love my woman, fire and rain, but I won't give up my train.